Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric hedge trimmers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Joe HSJ2H Sun Joe 3.5 amp 22-inch electric hedge trimmer. Next we are presenting the Joe Electric HSJ2H hedge trimmer. Joe's intense 3.5 amp engine and dual activity 22 inches stainless steel blades give the power and exactness you request to handle your hardest scrubbing job. It's ergonomic, smooth, lightweight and simple to move at only 5 pounds. It will rapidly become your go-to device to slice cleanly through thick shrubs and hedges. Electric and eco-friendly, there's no need of oil or gas or stress over upkeep, poisonous emissions or tune-ups. What's more, this trimmer is built with dual-handed security switch evacuate perilous unintentional starts for more client safety. Moving on at number 4, we have the DeWalt 40 volts max DCHT860M1 Lithium-Ion 4.0 Ah hedge trimmer. This DeWalt cordless 22-in hedge trimmer is equipped with a high-performance laser cut and motor, hooked tooth blades designed for fast, clean slices on branches up to the 3/4 in thick. If some obstacles are hit amid cutting, the rubbing grasp draws in protecting the transmission. Removable cover case helps make simple sharp edge exchanges. The housing enhances durability and shock resistance for this item. It has a removable top cover and also long for simple access to brushes. At number 3, we have the Makita 18 volts LXTXHU02M1 Lithium-Ion Cordless Kit 22 inches hedge trimmer. The Makita cordless hedge trimmer offers everything that you require to accomplish proficient quality outcomes when trimming your hedges. This Makita XHU02M1 has an ergonomic and lightweight design. With just weight of 7.4 pounds, it can be simply utilized by any person, and your arms will not be harmed. What is remarkable about the battery of this Makita hedge trimmer is that it has a battery warning cautioning system. At the point when the battery requires to be charged, the engine will just shut off, and a marker light will show. The battery can be completely charged in 30 minutes. At number 2, we have the Greenworks 22-in 22,122 dual 4-amp action electric hedge trimmer. The all-electric task of the Greenworks line of devices gives reliable dependability and performance, as well as offers a perfect running compared to gas-powered trimmer also. Each Greenworks machine accompanies a safety features and variety of performance that not just enable you to do your job done, they likewise free from carbon emission-free activity for a cleaner domain. It is very reliable, powerful and durable electric hedge trimmer. This hedge trimmer conveys the performance anticipated as compared to gas-powered machine. It's fitted with a dual-action 22-in and a 4-amp engine. Steel sharp edges, the 22,112 trims and cuts hedges and greenery very simple. All-electric power implies no hassling with fuel or gas mixtures, and provides calmer operation overall. And finally at number 1, we have the Black LHT2436 24 inches 40 volts cordless hedge trimmer. This hedge trimmer is built with powerful 40 volts battery which gives a lot of run time and power and can cut branches at 3/4 inch. The lithium batteries maintain the charge 5x times longer and have a double life compared to NICD batteries. They are likewise powered with a charger for a great environment. The trimmer contain a 24-inch dual-activity sharp blade that offers less vibration compared to single cutting blades and cuts comfortably and cleanly. It has a front handle which gives a comfortable to grasping region in every single cutting orientation. Delicate grips guarantee secure and comfortable grasp when trimming. It has a pre-hardened, rust-proof steel cutting edges remain sharp for long period. It has a compact, lightweight design for you to utilize more easy and causes less client fatigue. The trimmer can trim more than 6,000 square feet for each charge. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.